With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi students, here the question is, read the following statements. A, first statement is endocrine glands are ductless and release their secretion into the venous blood. Second statement or statement B is endocrine system is slower than the nervous system in terms of coordination and regulation. So here choose the correct option. Both the statements are correct. Both the statements are incorrect. Statement A is incorrect, but B is correct. Statement B is incorrect. So this is the last option. So endocrine glands, we know it is also known as a ductless gland. Endocrine glands have a very important role in our body because that is known as a control system. There are few glands which are known as a exocrine glands, just say saliva, then our sweat. So these are known as the exocrine glands, but endocrine gland. So these are the glands which controls our body by the chemical coordination. So if the nervous system will done our nervous coordination, so the hormone system or endocrine glands are doing the chemical coordination in our body. It secretes the hormone in our blood, and through the blood streams it will reach to our target cells, and after reach to target cell it will be work. So through the bloods it will go target cell and it will be work. So it doesn't have any duct. So it is known as a ductless, and it releases the secretion into the venous blood, and through the blood it will reach the target cell. So there are different type of endocrine gland like pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid, adrenal, pancreas, gonad, pineal. Pituitary gland, it is known as a master gland also. It will secrete or it will control two more glands work like adrenal gland and thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, it will release the thyroxine, that is the T3 and the T4, which are the most important thyroid hormone. Parathyroid gland is a small 4 glands combination. It will release the parathyroid hormone, and it will secrete it and it will control few mechanism in our body. Next is the adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is releasing the adrenaline hormone, and this adrenaline hormone help to take the decision at the stress moment, like the flight and fight action. So this is done through this adrenaline. Without that, there is a pancreas gland. Pancreas is act like a exocrine also, endocrine also. It produces the digestive enzymes, insulin and glucagon, and help in the metabolism. Then the gonads. Gonads is also very important gland because it will help in the reproduction. Ovaries, the gonad is present in the female. It will secrete the hormone, that is the estrogen and progesterone. And there is a male gamete which is known as a testis. The testis will secrete the hormone that is known as a testosterone. So like that way it will help in the reproduction process. Now the last one, there is one more endocrine gland, that is the pineal gland. Pineal gland helps in the sleep and wake mechanism. So it is like a clock, and so we can say the sleep and wake system is controlled by this pineal gland. But all these hormones is not released on that target cell only. It will release from different glands like a parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, gonad glands, pineal gland, and it will flow through the blood system and it will go to target cell and then work. But in the nervous systems, they are releasing one neurotransmitter, and this neurotransmitter is known as a chemical messenger, and through this chemical messenger the nervous will goes on, the stimulations will cross the barrier and reach to the target cell. A neurotransmitter mostly travel through a very narrow space, and that the narrow space is known as a synaptic cleft. Through this synaptic cleft, the neurons will send the transmission and it will reach to the target cell. So the nerve system conduct the signals is much quicker than the endocrine system. So we can say here both the statements are correct. The first statement, endocrine glands are ductless and release their secretion into the nervous blood venous or venous blood. And the second one, endocrine system is slower than the nervous system in terms of coordination and regulation because they are depending on the regulatory system for their movement or for their transportation. The first statement, both statements are correct. Statement A and statement B are correct for them. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.